Howdy folks, good morning. It's Kevin McClenahan here in San Diego at bonuses360.com with my review, demo, and bonuses for the launch of CommissionPages. Now this is Glenn Kosky's newest launch, and it's going live Sunday morning, November the 15th at 10 a.m. East Coast time. So what CommissionPages is going to do for us is it's going to help us to start making commissions every day with 100% free traffic. So I'm here inside the members area, and what Glenn Kosky and his development team have done for us is to bring us CommissionPages, but not just any landing pages. Typically when you set up an opt-in page or a squeeze page, then you get the customer's information, their name and their email address in lieu of a free gift that you're going to give them. So CommissionPages is different in that we are going to give them a free gift in lieu for their contact information so that we can redirect and retarget them for later offers. However, what we're going to do on these pages is we're going to do three things. We're going to give them that free giveaway, that lead magnet. We are going to offer them a low ticket offer like a CommissionPages type of a product, but with a full funnel associated with it, just like any launch. And we're going to offer a high ticket offer so that even if you only are converting 1%, which is a fairly low conversion rate, but even if you only converted at a 1% rate, that would mean that every 100 sales that you make, you would make a $500 to $1,000 commission. Now, you can set up and customize any of these pages, which is beautiful. Now, you've got pages that are already preloaded for you, and depending on the level of upgrade that you get, there are additional pages and high ticket offers that are set up for you. Now, these are all totally customizable pages, so you can include your own $12 to $27, $37 offer. It doesn't matter if it's Warrior Plus, if it's ClickBank, it doesn't matter if it's JVZoo or any other affiliate networks, CPA networks. Any of these pages can be customized. And the traffic is 100% free traffic. Once you learn this system, it's customizable. You can change the traffic. You could change the offer. You could change the giveaways, the lead magnets. You could change the low ticket offer, the high ticket offer. It's totally flexible, this system. Once you learn it, then it's just a matter of rinse and repeat. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then stay with me. Keep watching as I dive into the launch of CommissionPages as well. And as always, I put together a really cool package of free custom bonuses for you folks so you could start making money and hit the ground running with CommissionPages right away. And the vendor has been very generous in their launch offering of giving us $8,785 worth of free bonuses with the launch of CommissionPages. Now you'll be able to access all of this simply for the front end cost, let's scroll up here, of $17. And for a front end cost of $17, you get to access the powerful CommissionPages software, the training modules, all my free cool custom bonuses, vendor bonuses, all for a front end cost of $17. So at any time during my YouTube video review, simply click on the link down below this YouTube video in the description section. It's just down below the video, and it says access CommissionPages and all of the bonuses. When you click on that link, it'll bring you through to my bonus page. If you've arrived on my bonus page via an email link that I sent you, great, you're in the right place. At any time during my video review, simply scroll up or scroll down on my bonus page, click on these red buttons. They'll take you through to the sales page and secure checkout on the Warrior Plus platform. Now you'll want to do that though before this countdown timer runs down to 0, because when it does, it signifies the end of the launch period. All of the launch pricing and packages that the vendors put together for us, as well as all my free cool custom bonuses and all those vendor bonuses, over $8,700 worth of vendor bonuses, they're all going to disappear on you once this countdown timer runs down to 0. I wouldn't want you to miss out on that opportunity. I did spend a lot of time putting together this bundle of free cool custom bonuses for you folks so you can get the most out of CommissionPages. Okay, let's get a look at those free cool custom bonuses now. Okay, bonus number 1 is access comprehensive email marketing training. Now this is mastery level class on email marketing for your CommissionPages retargeting. Bonus number 2 is Bing ads. Get super cheap laser targeted traffic to your CommissionPages and any offer with Bing ads on the Microsoft network. Bonus number 3 is build your Facebook group fast and drive monetizing traffic to those CommissionPages. Access Cartel, it's a two-in-one software with high-ticket offers that are customizable, very similar to CommissionPages, and full traffic training as well. And bonus number 5, access all of the vendor bonuses. The vendor's given me bonuses to give to you folks. Let's get a look at those vendor bonuses now. Now, the vendor has given us bonuses to 17 Warrior Plus best-selling information products, as well as some other bonuses we're going to take a look at on the sales page. So there's a ton of bonuses here. In your own time, go ahead and just read through that list, see, and then we'll get into the other vendor bonuses that I think are even more important. They are Profit Accelerator bonuses, multiple free traffic softwares, 70 plus extra bonuses that you can give away as lead magnets, guaranteed approval for high converting affiliate offers, and exclusive live streams training. They're exclusive to CommissionPages members and will include full Q&A sessions. Okay, so those are the vendor bonuses. Let's get a look at this sales page now. And just a reminder, at any time during my video review, to make your purchase, simply scroll up or scroll down on my bonus page and click on any of these red buttons, and they'll take you through to the sales page and secure checkout on the Warrior Plus platform. As well, on my bonus page is a full overview demo video here by the developers, so do check that out. It's less than 10 minutes long, and it'll give you a really good insight as to what it's going to take to set up your first campaign and get running fast, making money with CommissionPages. Okay, here we are on that sales page. We instantly make $525 online every day with CommissionPages with 100% free traffic. Now it's your turn to succeed with the exact same system. Brand new, done-for-you traffic app. Free traffic works in 60 seconds. It's 100% beginner friendly. There's no experience required, no technical skills, no email list, no website required. Works from anywhere in the world. Live the real laptop lifestyle. Live the real laptop lifestyle. And there's a 180-day money-back guarantee. Check out that sales video there. Do your due diligence on that sales page. When you're ready to make your purchase, simply click on the red buttons. They'll take you through to the secure checkout on the Warrior Plus platform. There's plenty of income proof here. It's a 3-step method. One thing I did want to show you folks, there's an exit pop-up. So instead of spending $17 on the front end, you go like you're going to exit and not make your purchase, and a $5 off coupon comes in. Just click on the green button. It'll take you through to that secure checkout on the Warrior Plus platform. So instead of paying $17 on the front end, you'll end up paying just $12 on the front end, and you'll get access to that powerful CommissionPages software, the training modules, all my free cool custom bonuses, and all those vendor bonuses for a front-end cost of $12. So it's $17 minus that $5 off coupon. So do take advantage of that. Okay, let's get a look at that secure checkout on the Warrior Plus platform. Okay, once you log into that Warrior Plus platform, you just hover over the top right-hand button and you just click on Purchase History. That'll take you through to the receipt page for CommissionPages. Click on the green button, you'll access your product. Click on the blue button, you'll get immediate access to all my free cool custom bonuses and all those vendor bonuses simply by clicking on the blue button. Well, let me just take this opportunity to thank you folks for being here during my video review. I encourage you to access your bonuses, but don't be distracted by them. Dive straight into CommissionPages, go through all of the training modules, all of the training videos, set up your first campaign. If you get stuck, put in a support ticket. I look forward to hearing of your successes. And remember this, my friend, that specialized knowledge with consistent action lead to huge gains over time. Cheers to your success. Okay, let's get a look at that sales funnel now and see what the developers have put together for us in terms of a launch package and pricing for CommissionPages. And just a reminder, on my bonus page is a full overview demo video here. It'll help you set up your first campaign and get you making money very quickly with CommissionPages. So what is CommissionPages all about? Everything that you need for an ultra profitable list building and hands-free commissions is inside one cloud-based platform. Multiple done-for-you commission pages are included. As well, you can customize all of those commission pages. You get paid to build your list. Fastest way to grow a list, monetize new leads from scratch. professional, customizable opt-in pages add new leads to your list. The stunning money pages represent irresistible offers. A free gift, a small ticket offer, and a high ticket offer are included on each of the money pages. Pre-approved affiliate offers, so you don't have to worry about getting your offers approved. They're pre-approved. Make instant commissions with pre-approved offers. These stunning money pages deliver your leads to the giveaway and pitch a premium offer as well as a high ticket offer so you can start making money right away. You're not just giving away a lead magnet in lieu for their contact information. You're giving away a lead magnet so you look great. You're collecting their contact information, but you're also offering a small ticket offer and a high ticket offer. You don't have to wait to start collecting commissions. You can get paid the same day that you collect their email information, their contact information. Now remember, these are hungry buyers, so laser targeted traffic to them via the free traffic app, you should and could start making commissions on day one. As well, part of my free cool custom bonuses are other traffic sources that you can use, either free or paid traffic sources from other sources. So once you learn this system, it's customizable. You can change the traffic, you could change the offer, you could change the giveaways, the lead magnets, you could change the low ticket offer, the high ticket offer. It's totally flexible, this system. Once you learn it, then it's just a matter of rinse and repeat. Now, there are proven conversion boosters to offer multiple products at the same time, and you could triple your commissions using this method. You're pre-approved to promote, like I said before, so you don't have to worry about getting these offers approved. The front end of CommissionPages, it's $17, but remember, on the sales page, there's an exit pop-up that'll give you a $5 off discount coupon. Just click on the green button, you'll be able to collect that discount, okay? So then on the front end, it's $12, and you get to access the powerful CommissionPages software, all of the training modules, all my free cool custom bonuses, and all those vendor bonuses, all for $12 on the front end. OTO number 1 is the unlimited version. Create unlimited cash funnels, unlimited storage on their servers, unlimited buyer traffic, and premium templates. With this upgrade, you get everything that you need to make 6 figures online very quickly. Create unlimited cash funnels without any restrictions. Access their premium suite of templates. Now you can create unlimited funnels with just a few clicks, okay? So check that out. OTO number 2, it's 100% done for you. $97 or $67 on the downsell. Get access to done for you commission pages ready to make you money. Simply log in, add your affiliate link, and begin to profit. Everything is done for you. OTO number 3, unlimited traffic, $147 or $47 on the downsell, 100% unlimited traffic at zero cost to you, and your offer gets seen by their traffic. They get 100,000 clicks every single month, so the odds are pretty good. You're going to be making some money. 100% unlimited traffic at zero cost allows you to plug straight into their winning traffic. There's no working out how to get paid traffic. Though I did give you that Bing Ads masterclass, finally quit paying for expensive traffic. OTO number 4, 30K in 30 days version. It's $147 or $47 on the downsell. Learn how we turbocharge to $1,000 a day or $30,000 in 30 days. Generate consistent profits for days, weeks, months, and years to come. Everything is done for you. Finally, leave your day job. I love that. Okay, OTO number 5, super affiliate version. It's $97 or $37 on the downsell. Bonus page builder add-on software is included. Create stunning bonus pages, very similar to the bonus page you're looking at right now. I did this in Commission Gorilla, but their bonus pages are very, very similar. Ready to go bonus products that people will love. Stand out from the crowd and get results like super affiliates do without any of the hard work. OTO number 6, license rights, $147 or $67 on the downsell. This is resellers' rights. You get complete rights to this software, and you get to keep 75% of the profits. Done for your product. That's right, you get the rights to sell commission pages as your own. Done for you email swipes. You also get the follow-up email series that'll help you when you're retargeting that traffic for future promotions. Done for you tech setup. Everything will be completely set up by the developer team of experts. OTO number 7, complete ATM system. It's $97 or $47 on the downsell. It's a complete money-making system that pulls in huge done-for-you sales and profits. Use this with commission pages to make $100+ per day hands-free income. Scale to $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, or even $20,000 per month with the complete ATM system. OTO number 8, Auto Profit Boost. It's $47 or $37 on the downsell. These are additional tools that'll help you sell more products like scarcity bars and countdown timers, exit pop-ups, and so forth. OTO number 9, Commission Pages Ultimate. It's $47 or $37 on the downsell. Clone Our Business, 100% done for you. Get 99 of their previous best money-making products. Get 50 softwares that help you build a list, create video, drive traffic, and more. And 49 trainings included on how to build a $100,000 a year internet business. So check out this mega bundle. So to make your purchase for Commission Pages at any time, scroll up or scroll down on my bonus page, click on these red buttons, and they'll take you right through to the secure checkout on the Warrior Plus platform. Okay, let's wrap things up now. Here are some of the key benefits that you may be interested in getting. New Commission Pages app, fully editable and customizable Commission Pages. It's a 100% free traffic app to drive traffic and sales. Video training is included, step-by-step complete training. Agency license is also included, world-class customer support. $250 a day case study is included, even on the front end. And 70 premium bonuses and huge vendor bonus bundle is included in that front end. No recurring or monthly fees, and it comes with a risk-free 180-day money-back guarantee. So there's no risk to you for the first 6 months of using Commission Pages. When you're ready to make your purchase, click on the red buttons. They'll take you through to the secure checkout. And just a reminder, on my bonus page is an overview demo video here by the developers, so check that out as well. Well, as usual, I'm super thankful to have you here with me during my video reviews. I'm Kevin McClenahan here in San Diego at bonuses360.com. Thanks for watching my review, demo, and bonuses for the launch of Commission Pages. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and we'll see you in the next review. Take care now. Bye-bye.